Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to add items in Amazon shopping list. First of all, launch open the Amazon application on your device, or you may also log into your Amazon website on a web browser. After you've logged in, go ahead and tap on the human icon at the bottom of the screen from your mobile device, and on the next page, click on Lists at the top right corner. After you're inside this Lists and Registries page, click on Plus at the top right. Now, create a new list by tapping Create List. You can also write down a list name or edit the list name according to your preference and click on Create List. Now, you can go ahead and add items in your list. Click on Add Item at the top right and type in the name of the item in your list. For example, you can type in a wireless headset or headphones, and once selecting it, the item will be added to your shopping list. Go ahead and add more items to the list if you want, and once you do that, if you get back to the list, you will see a list of items that you've added. Now select on each list and choose the product you want to add to the list and tap on Add to List right underneath the product description. And that's how you can easily add items to your Amazon shopping list or wish list. This is a great way to keep track of things you want without immediately buying them and to watch for price drops or deals. That's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.